Hey everyone, in this session I'm going to coach you. This is the first time I will be keep presenting live with you one of the most important campaign which is called as display network campaign. So just click on the new campaign button and after that this dashboard will be keep presenting in front of you now. So here you just need to concentrate on the website traffic. Click here and after that click on the continue button. And then you will be able to see the different kind of formats are keep presenting in front of you. So you just need to navigate towards the display campaign objective type, and this will be keep running the different kinds of ads across the web now. So just click here and after that click on the continue button. Once you will be keep clicking on the continue button, this will be further explaining the rest of the options. So here there are two options. One is the standard display campaign and the second one is the smart display campaign. So you need to keep selecting the display standard campaign as it is, and then after that you need to specify the URL of your expected landing page or the website. So I just want to copy my landing page. This is the landing page which I am going to target right now. So just copy here and navigate again towards your Google Ads account. So I just keep copying this one and you can see that all the rest of the information. I just double checking this thing that how the landing page look like. So whenever someone else will be keep coming in this landing page and they will be keep selecting the different kinds of options now. So here again just quickly move towards our Google Ads account and specify the landing page here, and after that once you specified your landing page informations, then you need to change the campaign name. So whatever the campaign name you are going to select, you need to specify here, and the primary objective for specifying the campaign name that you must be memorized that at what date and time you have created now. So I just keep specifying here like display campaign 25 to 50 years people, and that will be for both the male and female and targeting on the US market now. And after that you just need to specify the date in which you are creating your campaign and then click on the continue button. And once you will be keep clicking on the continue button, this dashboard will be keep presenting in front of you now. It will take few seconds. So once all the rest of the informations will be presenting in front of you, then we will be keep moving forward for specifying our rest of the information now. So here first of all you need to concentrate on the country. As you can see currently the Pakistan is selected now, but as per your wish you can change the country type whatever you would like to add. If you would like to add some another country, so what you need to do now, just enter another location and specify here, let's say the targeting I am on the United States. So I just selected the United States and just click on the target button, and I excluded the Pakistan, and after that you will be able to see that on the right side some of the impressions are updating as well. And then after specifying the current location, I also let you know that for a one campaign always be targeting one country for a one campaign, because if you will be targeting the multiple countries in a single campaign, so that will cost you a lot. So save your money and after that keep navigating towards the language, and here you just need to select it your expected language for which you are targeting your ad. And once you will select your expected country, the languages, as you can see at the right side the number of impressions, this is currently in a broader way. We need to narrow down. In the upcoming sessions I will be keep explaining to you the rest of the information, how you can specify your budgeting and bidding information, and how you can further moving forward for specifying the targeting options now. So thank you very much for watching this session.